Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the Move tool in detail. Okay, the Move tool is a very powerful tool. So, let me create a new cube just for fun. Okay, I'm going to create another cube. I'm going to scale this one up. Okay, so it's great big. And I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to press 4 on my keyboard so I can see through the objects. Now, my Move tool, I can move objects around in a few different ways with this thing. I have my traditional ways of just grabbing the handles, or I can grab the center, or I can grab a plane and move it on 2 axes. If I grab the Y plane, it's going to move on the X and Z axes only. And you have a plane likewise for the other 2 axes or planes. Okay, you can also access those by pressing Control on your keyboard and clicking a handle. And it will actually turn it yellow, so you'll know which plane you're moving on. That's pretty handy. Okay. Now you can also, if you hold down X on your keyboard, which hopefully you guys are familiar with at this point, if I hold down X on my keyboard, then I can middle mouse click and drag, and it will snap to the grid. In fact, let me turn off my hotkey thing for a second. So if I hold down X on my keyboard, the center turns into a circle. And if I middle mouse click, I don't even have to middle mouse click on my manipulator. I can middle mouse click over here on this grid section, or this grid section, or this grid section, and it's going to snap it to that location. That's really handy. Oops. Sometimes you want to snap a vertice or an object to another place on another object, and you can do that by holding down V. Again, the center is going to turn to a circle, and I can middle mouse click next to an object that has points, vertices or CVs for NURBS, or I think just about anything that has points, and I can middle mouse click next to that object and it will move to that location. Oh brother, there we go again. My computer's having troubles.